I have a 9-volt Rayvac heavy duty maximum battery that is dead, as you can see on the meter. 2.65 volts and dropping. I started to break it open a bit, so here goes nothing. For everyone on YouTube, I will be doing more of these style deconstructed videos. This is my first one, so I'll see how many subscribers I can get out of it. And depending on how many subscribers, I may do another video. There's paper for the tab here, so you can see. It's insulation paper. And it's some heavy steel on here. Maybe 20 gauge, 25 gauge, something like that. It's just thin enough if you twist that you can rip this apart. This is a do not try it at home. Yes, I know I'm dumb enough to do it, but it's quite dangerous. See, there's battery acid in here. These are your cells. They have leaked, but you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them sandwiched together. In the end, you can see how they're individual pieces. This is what the back of your tab looks like. It was bent this way, where this is on the back of this cell here, and or actually the back of this cell here, like that. The front of this cell was pushing on this tab up here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And that is all for now. We will have more videos in the future.